Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is question number 2.7 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's have a look on the question. Calculate the wavelength, frequency and wave number of a light wave whose period is 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 second. Here wavelength is mentioned as lambda, frequency mu and wave number is mu dash. Now what is period? The wave travels like this and one wave is starting from this to this. This is called one wave and the time taken to complete one wave is called its time period and it is denoted by T. It is called period. So the relation between the frequency and the T is frequency is equal to 1 by T. Now if we put the values, we will get the value of the frequency here. So 1 by T, we can write it 1 upon 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 10 second. Now 1 by 2, we can write it 0.5. And 10 to the power minus 10 will go up and it changes to 10 to the power 10 and second will turn to per second. Now this is the answer, but to make it more appropriate, we'll make it 5.0, shifting the decimal one step rightward, it means minus 1. So 10 to the power 10 minus 1, it will become 10 to the power 9 per second. Or we can write it 5.0 into 10 to the power 9 hertz. Per second is also known as hertz. So this is our answer for the frequency. The frequency is 5 into 10 to the power 9 hertz. Now come up to the wavelength. So wavelength lambda is equal to, we knew that it is C by frequency, because we already learned that frequency is equal to C by lambda. So from this, lambda will be moved to the left hand side and frequency will come up to the right hand side. It will become like this. Lambda is equal to C by frequency. So C value, C is the speed of light. Its value is 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 per second, meter per second. And frequency we already got it. It is 5 into 10 to the power 9 per second. Now per second and per second will be cancelled and 3 by 5, our answer will be 0.6 into 10 to the power. Now 9 will go up and turn to minus 9. So 8 minus 9 plus 8, it will become minus 1. So 10 to the power minus 1 and meter. This will be our answer, or we can write it 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 2, because shifting rightward, it means minus 1 plus minus 1, it is minus 2 meter. Or we can write it in one more way, that is removing the power. So minus 1 will be removed like this, 0.06 we can write meter. All these three are the answer for the wavelength. Now come up to the wave number, mu dash. Wave number formula is 1 by lambda. So now 1 by lambda's value we got here. We can put 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Now this 10 to the power minus 2 will go up and it become 10 to the power 2 upon 6 meter. So 10 to the power 2 we can write 100 divided by 6 meter. So when we divide it, we will get the answer 16.67 and the meter will go up and it will become minus 1. This is the answer for the wave number. It is 16.67 per meter. So friend, that's all for today in this video. The calculations are very easy. The formula is very easy. So keep on studying and keep asking the questions. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.